If you want to learn how to trade smart money concepts on Trev, make sure that you subscribe and click the notification bell, just because this is the channel that you've been looking for. So as you can see here, we're looking at VEX25, and the broker that I use is in the description below, guys. So you can obviously see that we had this lower low here, lower high, lower low, lower high, of which that shows that the market is pushing to the downside. This is price action on the 4-hour, like I told you guys. So this is the BOS around this point. Then after having the BOS, we expect the market to pull back internally to tap into areas of value. So as you can see here, we had a fair value gap, then we also had a supply area at the top, just like that. So we can just do this so that you can see them, guys, just because the aim is for you guys to learn. So if I don't write them out, you won't be understanding most of the things that I'll be explaining here. So fair value gap plus OB, then the market tapped into it or mitigated into it, then we sold off, having a new break of structure, or the market giving us a new break of structure. So we are still continuing with the overall trend to the downside. So after having this break, I normally look at the 3 candle pullback. As you can see here, this is a small pullback to the upside, but like it didn't make any sense for me. And then at the bottom of the structure, as you can see here, we had equal lows. This is liquidity around this point that has to be taken out, and I like to use like some type of notations on my chart so that I can know what's going on. So from this high up to this low here, that is our trading range, guys. So up to this low here, that is our trading range, and using the Fibonacci from the high to the low, just like this, you'll get to understand that the market tapped into a golden zone, even if it's blue, but like it's our golden zone, guys. Now so around here we can just look for a buy to sell candle, guys, now, or a sell to buy candle. It's a buy to sell. So as you can see here, we had this indecision candle around this point, of which this is our order block. So we can just do this and rain it out or stretch it out to the current market structure, and then you can see that it was mitigated very nicely. Or you can just use the GAN box. That is if you like using the GAN box, just because we want to see the market tapping into this midpoint here. And then the market tapped into the midpoint, so our target is this one here. And now we can switch to the 15-minute time frame. That is where you're going to understand everything, guys. And we have a course that we have so far that is still in progress, but like it's ready for use, or it's ready for learning for those who want to learn from us. And make sure that you use the WhatsApp link in the description below, or also use like the WhatsApp number on the screen. So as you can see here, or check me out on Instagram, guys, just because my Instagram handle is just below there. So as you can see here, after tapping this midpoint here, you can obviously see that the market started to slow down. So as you can see, we're just gonna use the structure. So you have high, low, then you have your high, your low, then you have your lower high here. Instead of having a higher high, we had a lower high, guys. Now that shows that momentum is no longer strong to the upside, or the bullish momentum is no longer strong. The bearish market is coming back strong, guys. Now so the BOS within here, then we failed to break this high here. We created a sweep of liquidity, as you can see right there. This is a smaller yana double top formation, of which it's liquidity, guys. Now so right there we have liquidity. So it means that this is your high, this is your lower high, then we failed to break structures around here. So we are just waiting for the market to change character. As you can see, it did exactly that, and we're getting to the current market structure, and then I am anticipating to take some sales here, to be honest. So we have a change of character, the market tapping into this buy to sell candle, of which it's your order block right there. You can just say OB or your supply area, however you want to call it, it's okay, guys, man, so that we can avoid going back and forth with each other. So we have your change of character here, giving us a lower low. Then you have a pullback tapping into the order block, giving us a lower high. Then you have a commitment in the markets pushing down, giving us a lower low. After that, it's a break of structure, Going back into the price action, you'll obviously see that this is your buy to sell candle. So this is your order block within here. So after tapping into that order block, the market sold off again, guys, giving us a new break of structure within this point here. So after having the break of structure, we needed 3 candle pullback. As you can see, we didn't have any around this point. So what I'll be waiting for is for the market to come into this buy to sell candle here, which is our order block, current order block here, just like that. Then if you zoom in, you'll clearly notice that we have a fair value gap here. Like I told you on the order block teachings, guys, the imbalance is obviously there at the bottom after the order block is at the top. So we have this area here. As you can clearly see, guys, this low here does not meet this here. So this is your fair value gap right there. So we're just gonna leave it like this, or you can just use a zone just like this so that you can see it. But like, I'll be waiting for the market to tap into this fair value gap or tap into the order block. So this would be some type of formation like this, creating higher highs and higher lows very slowly. Then we have a change of character within here, then we sell off. So I'll be waiting for this type of formation to come up so that we can get those nice selling opportunities, just because this could be a long trade, guys. This could be a long trade. You just have to fund like with your $50 account, take 5 trades, leave it like that, come back, get like 2,000 bucks for holding, guys. This is where you will be tested whenever you are trading these type of setups. You already know that if it commits, if you are right, it has to reach like that lowest point right there, of which it has liquidity also. That is a strong area of interest. And also not forgetting the trendline liquidity within this point. But like, I'm not gonna add that, but like, whenever you have like these type of setups, make sure that you capitalize badly on them, guys. Make sure that you make money on them, just because they come, they go, guys. And then whenever they come, you just have to go all in. But like, I'm not saying all in by just taking trades out of nowhere. You just have to analyze, wait for the setups to come in the right areas, and then that is when you take your entries. So guys, I have explained a lot about smart money concepts, and I think most of you already understand what I am talking about. And soon we're just gonna create a bootcamp whereby I teach everyone on YouTube. Also, I'm just gonna teach like everyone on YouTube, whereby I do live sessions maybe on a daily basis, and maybe let's say maybe we can have like 10 sessions, and each and every session has like its own topic. Let's say maybe we start off with like your market structure, secondly we get to the order blocks, thirdly we get to your liquidity, and then we go on and on and on up until we put everything together so that you can form a strategy, guys. Just because you need a proven system. Let's say maybe you're trading smart money concepts, there are a lot of different ways whereby you can trade smart money, but like, this is the way that I use it. Start on the 4-hour, get my entries on the 15-minute, 10-minute or 5-minute. But like, I'm trying to share this thing with you guys, even though I'm not sharing everything on YouTube, just because everything is in detail on my course. But like, you'll get to learn. That is if you want to learn. But like, I'll try and schedule a bootcamp with you guys. That is if you all are interested. So make sure that you subscribe, check out my free Telegram so that you'll be updated on that free bootcamp, guys. I'll see you on another video. Peace and love, guys.